So today's project is a fun one. I did 3 shawls for us to review and compare and see which one we like the best. Which one do you think is the prettiest? What I did was I chose 2 yarns that I felt did not match at all. I walked up and down at Kroger's. Because I forgot to film my intro earlier, I can't show you the yarn, but it's a good thing I took a picture, so I'll put that over here. These are the 2 yarns that I used. I went to Walmart. My intention was to buy 2 yarns that do not match at all. And these were the ones that I came up with here. The taupe one has a lot of sparkle lace through it, silvery sparkle, and the other is the teal ombre there. I was really curious to see with 2 unmatching yarns what they look like when they come together. Those are just really fun experiments with me. For me, I'm babbling. I'm really excited to get started and to show you how it all turns out. Let's go. This is the one I'm starting right now. I'm working with Crystal from Bag O' Day Crochet. This is her pattern. Whoops, where did it go?
So, as I mentioned, this show 2 and 3. And now we'll end row 2. And now we will have this.
Got it! This is not the first time I've done this pattern. I started working on the taupe sparkle one already. But I need to refer to the video here, oops, don't start, to get me started because the first couple rows are a little bit different here and then we go back into our repeat. So, alrighty, here we go, guys. Today while I'm crocheting, I am watching an Andy Roddick interview with Rafa Nadal, who just retired. I'm pretty excited about this. Andy Roddick was one of my favorites. I can't wait. Oh, here we go.
I wanted to do all these things that I am not able to do it now. So the time is precious now. It's different approach.
Well, there you go. There you go. It looks great.
Well, this, but of course, give me the feeling.
Thank you.
I can enjoy more what I'm doing now. I am not. Thinking, okay,
Easter decorations. So I've completed my shawl with this one, and I've completed my shawl with this yarn. Shawl number 3 is going to be these 2 combined, and I'm going to get started on it right now. All right, guys, time for the reveal. So there you go. What do you think? That's 3 shawls with 2 different yarns and one of them combined. I think they turned out beautiful. This one here, I don't know if it filmed well, but there is a sparkle in the silver threading that is just weaved through this. And it's absolutely lovely. I love the way this turned out. More than I thought I would, because I'm not usually into all the sparkly fabrics, but this was really nice. This one, I think, would look really nice if you were dressed up for the night and you need a little light cover. This would look really pretty, like with a black dress. The second one that I did was the ombre one here. And this one I was just real neutral about when I started it. This is my favorite color. But I don't know, after I did it, I fell in love with it. I showed it to my daughter Shane, and Shane was like, ooh, as soon as she saw the color. So I don't know why I wasn't hooked on it right off the bat when I grabbed the skein. But, you know, when it all came together, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And you saw I have the perfect dress to match it, right? So this one turned out lovely too. And, you know, then we come down to the third one here. The third one here is the combination of both, you know, and you could tell it's real muted. You can't see it as much, I don't know, on the camera there, but it really dumbs down the blue, you know, by mixing it with that. But it's nice. Same thing. It's got that twinkle. I don't know if it's going to show or not. I hope so you guys can see it. But it turned out absolutely lovely. This one's my favorite. This one's my favorite. And I made it extra long so I can do all kinds of fun, all kinds of fun stuff with this. You know, it's like we all like to just stand there and play with our clothes, don't we? Woo! Anyhow, I mean, we got a big full skirt and we've got to do some spins, so why not do a little of this too, huh? So anyway, this was a really fun project. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and I would love to hear which of the three that you like the best. And tell me why. I'm always interested to hear what other opinions are, because we are so different. So I would love to hear which one is your favorite. This one here is mine, much to my surprise. I think this one here is also very lovely. This one would actually look nice, like with a little black dress. You need a little cover. This is beautiful. It's that sparkle in this, you know? So it's really hard to rate them because I like them all. But this one's probably going to be number 1, number 2, number 3. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!